Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with you with another insane video! Woo! In this one, I am going to help you make money, and we are going to learn from our good friend Benjamin here. He's showing us how he's making $63K a month on city ads. Super easy. This is a CPA network. You could do it. It's easy. Just sign up, follow the steps. If you want extra education on how to do it, just click that link in the description. Sign up with me and Benjamin, and you are going to crush it too. All right, now without further ado, let's hear from Benjamin.
I've been just doing paid ads, and I actually spent like $30,000. So it's 2x ROI, but the offer is really, really good. But maybe you could find my ad out there using the Adplexity Spy tool I give access to. Link is down below in the description. You'll probably find a few of my campaigns if you look hard enough. But then again, who knows if it's really me, because you can't really tell. There's so many freaking campaigns out there. To inspire you right there, that's a 2x ROI, just doing one offer on one network. I'm telling you guys, you can make a huge income, and it's not been hard for me to do it all. I just really want to, once again, inspire you guys, encourage you guys to go after your dreams, because I was nobody. I tried forever to make this work, and now I'm just literally trying to be as simple as possible. Just stay in my lane and just focus on what I need.
Hey, listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy. And the great thing is, anyone can do it. I mean, anyone. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!